Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to buy stocks using Robinhood step by step. First, download the Robinhood app from your App Store and begin the account creation process. You'll need to provide some personal and financial details to complete your application. Once that's done, link your bank account. This step is crucial as it allows you to easily deposit funds into your Robinhood account, setting the stage for your first investment. After setting up your account, the next step is to deposit funds. Simply transfer money from your linked bank account directly into Robinhood. With funds available, you can start exploring investment opportunities. Use the search bar to find specific companies or browse through discovery tools to uncover new stocks. Take time to research company performance, recent news, and analyst ratings to make informed decisions. Once you've identified a stock you want to buy, tap on it and then select the Trade button. You'll then choose your order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you set a specific price. Decide how many shares you want to purchase or specify a dollar amount you wish to invest. This flexibility helps you manage your investment strategy. Before finalizing your investment, always take a moment to carefully review all the order details. Double-check the stock, the number of shares, and the total amount to ensure everything is correct. Once you're confident, confirm your purchase. Your new investment will then appear in your portfolio, and you can start monitoring its performance. Remember to check the description for a link to grab Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals to keep your car fresh. Happy investing!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.